Hi everyone, welcome back to App Guide. I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change your age on your Roblox account. So if you'd earlier signed up to Roblox with a certain birth date but now want to change it to something else because you want to change your age, this is what you need to do. First of all, head over to your web browser and then go to roblox.com. After that, on the login section, fill in the credentials and make sure that you're logged into your account. So when you're logged into your account, you will land on an interface that looks pretty much like this. And there on the upper right hand side, you can see a settings icon. Tap on the settings icon and then tap on settings. After you tap on settings, you will now be directed towards your account settings, where you will be displayed different information regarding your account and your personal information. Under personal, you can see your birthday. So you will have to tap on your month. So my month is correct. My day is also correct. What I want to change is the year of birth. So I'm just gonna change the year of birth and then tap on save. And after tapping on save, it says here that my changes have been saved successfully, which means that my age has also been changed. So this is basically how you can change your age on roblox.com. If you had earlier entered a wrong birth date, you can always make amendments like this in order to change your age. So I hope this video has been useful to you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to let us know in the comment section below, and also hit the bell notification so that you get notified each time we upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you around next time.